Hello everyone, and welcome to Penzance, a historic seaside town in Cornwall, located in the far southwest of England. Penzance is known for its beautiful harbour, stunning coastal views, and relaxed atmosphere. Surrounded by the waters of Mounts Bay, it is one of Cornwall's most popular destinations and an excellent place to experience the charm of the English coast. Today, we're taking a short walk along the seafront, enjoying the fresh sea air and the peaceful scenery. As we stroll along the promenade, you'll see boats resting in the harbour, beautiful views across the bay, and the unique character that makes Penzance such a special place. Whether you're visiting for the first time or returning to enjoy the coastline once again, Penzance offers a perfect opportunity to slow down, relax, and appreciate the beauty of Cornwall. As I travel home the next day, I wanted to share one final beautiful view from the journey. The train is crossing the River Tamar on the historic Royal Albert Bridge, designed by Isambard Kingdom Brunel and opened in 1859. A perfect final glimpse of Cornwall and a wonderful way to end this trip. Thank you for watching and joining me on this walk through Penzance. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to share more beautiful places with you.